If you're looking for an LED mask that is affordable and give you amazing results, keep on watching. Hi everyone, this is Darcy. I'm 47 years old and I have been using LED lights for over 20 years. I have used every single LED lights that have come in the market, from handhelds, from panels, from everything you can think of. LED lights is one of my favorite technologies because it does work. It's a type of light that penetrates your skin at different levels and give you amazing results. Plus it has a lot of research and it's so easy to use. You just turn it on and that's it. I have a whole playlist of all the LED lights that I have talked about on my channel, and I'll leave that in the description box below if you want to check it out. And in all honesty, all LED lights that I have reviewed, I have shown my before and afters, and I can tell you they work. The thing that varies between them is price point, how often do you use, and how quick you see the results. So I wanted to share with you guys an option of an affordable LED light that actually give you results. This is the AMIRO LED Light Spectral Mask. I have done a whole dedicated video on it, and I got a lot of questions about comparing the mask with other masks in the market right now. In all honesty, this is the most affordable mask I've seen so far and has very advanced features, which I'll do some comparisons on this video as well. I actually have purchased this mask myself. Not that it makes a difference, because on my channel, I am very honest with my reviews, regardless if I get the product for free or if I purchase myself. There are a couple of reasons that I purchased this mask, despite of all the amazing LED lights and panels that I currently own. They're quite more expensive than this mask. So I purchased this originally from my husband because he has a really hard time using any of my other tools because he has no patience. He's very finicky about LED lights around his eyes, and he will not like anything touch his skin. I think the reasons I purchased this mask for my husband is actually one of the highlights what make this mask stand out compared to the other masks. Comparing the AMIRO Spectral Light masks to the other prominent brands of LED masks in the market right now, such as Dr. Dennis Gross and the current Bio Series 2 mask and the AMIRO's mask, you can see the other masks are more expensive. They're usually a $400 price point. With my discount code, you can get it for $179, which is super affordable compared to the other brands. Then from all the masks in the market, this eye protection is literally the best one. These eye goggles here are super soft and dark, so when you use this mask, you literally don't even notice the mask is on. The only way that you know this mask is on is because on the remote, it actually gives you the time you have left. Because a lot of times I have to literally check if the mask is on because I cannot see any luminance whatsoever. You get completely zero luminance compared to any other masks in the market. Honestly, the luminance from the other masks don't really bother me, but it does bother my husband. So if you're somebody that cannot stand any light near your eyes, then this is the mask for you because you get zero luminance around your eye area. It's also super comfortable to wear because it's just eye goggles, so you can just put the mask on. As far as the light therapy and what it addresses, the other masks' focus is mostly anti-aging, and they do address that really well. But the AMIRO Spectral Light addresses more than anti-aging because it has red and infrared, blue, green, and yellow light colors that address acne, soothing, hyperpigmentation, and also redness, and much more, plus anti-aging. And as far as the wavelengths, each of the settings of the AMIRO Spectral Lights mix different wavelengths at the same time to give you the most benefits with the shorter amount of time. It's only a 5-minute treatment and it goes by super quick, and it even tells you how many minutes you have left. So it goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's super easy that you know how many minutes you have left. This mask has an impressive 162 milliwatts by centimeter square. Unlike silicone ones, it doesn't sit directly on your skin. The slight gap allows light to disperse evenly, ensuring full face coverage so the light can cover every part of your face, including nose and lips, even your neck. They use a new generation of 5-layer light technology and 5-layer light waves, so combines different colors on each of the settings. Press and hold to turn it on. It has 3 settings. The first one is Purify mode. Press again to go into Glow, and you press again to go into Firm. Mode 1 is the Purify mode. Uses blue, red, green, yellow, and infrared light. My husband has rosacea, has a lot of acne, and he also has a lot of redness around his nose, which this has been addressing amazing. So he uses the setting 1, which is Purify, to help soothe the skin, and he can find relief even in 5 minutes. Mode number 2 is the glow mode. It has both red and infrared light. And that setting is if you want to pick me up, if you haven't slept very much at night and you want a really quick pick me up, and you want to restore some glow to your skin. That is an amazing setting. Mode number 3 is the firm mode. It combines yellow, red, and infrared. It is a great mode for loose and saggy skin, smoothing and firming of the skin with continuous use. I don't use this mask as consistent as my husband because I am a review channel, so I'm always reviewing different tools for you guys, and I only do 1, 2 at a time. But my husband does use this mask very consistently. He has amazing results for his acne, for his rosacea, and eczema, especially around his nose, that he gets really rashy around here. And I do still pick up this mask when I have an acne breakout about to come out because I know it works really quick. You can see results even within 1 week. And recently, I actually have a before and after to show you here. I had an acne about to break out right under my lip here. And I popped this mask on the purify mode, and you can see no acne. So it does stop acne on its tracks, and it's only 5-minute treatment, so it's really quick to pick it up and use it. So I highly recommend this mask for the price point, for all the features, and because it works. It also has a 90-day money-back guarantee, free shipping, 1-year warranty, and if you use my coupon code, you can save $70 off on the price of the mask, which makes $179 with free shipping. So it's a great deal. Also, if you order during their Woman Day campaign before March 20th, you also get an extra pocket mirror, so don't miss out. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I love hearing from you guys, and thanks for AMIRO for sponsoring this video. I love you all so much.